Hi everybody, welcome to Sukh Vibes. In this video, we are going to cover 19 questions which are related to right before left. And this right before left topic falls under the main topic of right of way. So let's begin. Starting with the very first question. At which places where there are no traffic signs regulating priority does the rule right before left apply? At driveways, no. At driveways, you have to look both in the right direction and in the left direction. Only then you can join. At crossroads and junctions, yes. At crossroads and junction, right before left rules apply. At the end of a traffic calmed area, no. At the end of a traffic calmed area, again, you have to look in both directions, right and left. Only then you can join the main road. Let's check our answer. Our answer is correct. What is the right course of action? Let's enlarge this image. So what we see over here, since there is no traffic sign, no traffic lights, it means right before left rules apply over here. What we see, there is a motorcycle which is coming from our right and we want to go to straight. So what happens here? Right before left rules apply. It means we have to wait till the motorcycle passes through. Let's look at the options. I have to wait. Of course you have to wait. The motorbike is applied to wait. No, he is not applied to wait. Why? Because here right before left rules applies. Let's check our answers. Our answer is correct. Moving towards the next question, what is the right course of action? Here again, no traffic sign, no traffic lights, then the rule right before left. What we see, the blue car is coming from the right, so it has the priority. And then the cyclist is turning on her side. It means he also has the priority over us. And we are the last ones to move. Why? Because we want to turn towards left. Let's look at the options. The blue car has to allow me to turn? No, the blue car has the priority. I have to allow the cyclist to turn? Yes, because the cyclist is turning on her side. I have to allow the blue car to pass through? Yes, because of the right before left rule. Let's check the answer. Our answer is correct. What is the right course of action? Let's enlarge the image. What we see here, on our right side there is a cyclist and she wants to go straight. We also want to go straight, and then there is a motorbike. It means the cyclist is the first one to cross the junction and then we can cross, and in the last motorbike can cross. Let's look at the options. I have to allow the cyclist to pass through. Yes, you have to allow the cyclist to pass through. Why? Because of the right before left rule. I may proceed before the motorcycle. Yes, you can proceed because you are on the right of the motorcycle. The cyclist has to allow me to pass. No, the cyclist need not to allow you to pass because the cyclist has priority according to right before left rule. Let's check the answers. Our answer is correct. Moving towards the next question. You are approaching a crossroads where the priority situation is not clear to you straight away. What do? In this case, you have to wait, observe, and come to an agreement with others if necessary. Proceed according to the rule right before left? No, because the priority situation is not clear, so you cannot proceed according to right before left rule. Always proceed when driving straight ahead? No, this is also wrong. So you have to agree with others and then you can proceed. Let's check the answers. Our answer is correct. Moving towards the next question. What is the right course of action? So what we see here, there is nobody on our right. We want to proceed straight. This cyclist wants to turn. This truck is on our left side. It means we are the first one to proceed, and then since the truck is on the right of the cyclist, then truck can proceed, and in the last, cyclist can proceed. Let's look at the options. I have to allow the cyclist to turn? No. I may be the first to pass through the junction? Yes, because we are having no one on our right. I have to allow the red truck to turn? No, because you are on the right of the truck. Let's look at the answers. Our answer is correct. What is the right thing to do? Let's enlarge the image. In this case, we have this green car on our right. It means green car has to pass and then we can turn because we want to turn towards left. And this red car has to wait until we have completed the turn. Let's look at the options. I have to allow the red car to pass? No, I give way to the green car, of course, according to right before left rule. I turn left before the green car. No, you have to wait. So the correct option is I give way to the green car. Let's look at the answers. Our answer is correct. Moving towards the next question. What is the right course of action? In this case, again, we are having a red car on our right side. It means red car has the priority. Then we can proceed, and then blue car. Let's look at the options. I have to allow right of way to the red car. Yes, because of the right before left rule. I have the right of way ahead of the blue car. Yes, you have right of way ahead of the blue car. It means blue car has to wait. I have to allow right of way to the blue car. No, this is wrong. Let's look at the answers. Our answer is correct. Moving towards the next question. What is the right course of action? In this case, we are having this yellow car, which is on our right. It means this yellow car has the priority over us. Then we want to turn towards left, but this truck is coming straight. It means this truck also has a priority over us. And in the last, we can proceed. Let's look at the options. I move after the yellow car. Yes. Why? Because of the right before left. I move after the blue truck. Yes. Why? Because since you are turning, you are the one who has to wait and the truck is approaching straight. I move below the yellow car. No, you cannot move below the yellow car. You can only move after the yellow car. Let's look at the answers. Our answer is correct. Moving towards the next, who can move first in this situation? In this case, what we see that we are on this road. This red car wants to join the main road, but this red car is on the farm tracks. It means no right before left. And this blue tractor, it has given the indicator, but it has to wait until we passes through. It means we are the first ones who can move. The blue tractor, no, because the blue tractor has to turn. Me, yes, we can. We are the first one to move. The red car, no, here no right before left because the red car is coming from the farm tracks. Let's check the answer. Our answer is correct. Moving towards the next question. What is correct in this situation? So whenever you see this traffic sign, it means there are the junctions which are difficult to see, but their right before left rules apply. At the next junction, I have right of way. No, you do not have right of way. A traffic calming zone ends. No. The right before left right of way rule applies. Yes, this is the correct option because this can be seen from this sign. Our answer is correct. What do you have to particularly remember at crossroads and junctions in a built-up area? Intersecting roads may have priority even though they are narrow and less well developed. Yes, this could happen that even your road is very narrow and it is less developed, still you have the priority. The width of the road, it has nothing to do with the priority. A better developed road always has a priority? No, there is no such rule. The rule right before left applies without exception at all the crossroads and junctions? No. So right before left rule doesn't apply when there are traffic signals or whenever there are traffic lights. Then traffic lights, then traffic signals, they are the ones who have the priority over the right before left rules. It means right before left doesn't apply to all the crossroad and junctions. Let's check the answer. Our answer is correct. Moving towards the next question. What is the right course of action here? There is a cyclist who is on our right. It means we have to wait until the cyclist has finished the turn. Only then we can proceed. I wait until the cyclist has completed the turn. Of course, you have to wait because according to right before left rule, the cyclist has the priority. I take priority before the cyclist. No. I want the cyclist by sounding the horn. No. Let's check the answers. Our answer is correct. You want to turn left. Who is required to wait? Now you want to join the main road. It means you have to wait because we are on the farm track. We can also see in the side mirror, this appears as a subordinate road. It appears like a farm track. I have to wait. Of course, you have to wait. The blue vehicle has to wait. No, the blue vehicle is already on the main road. Let's check the answer. Our answer is correct. What is the right course of action? So in this case, there is a motorcycle who is on right. It means he has the priority. Then there is a cyclist who is coming straight ahead. It means he also has the priority. and in the last we can proceed because we want to turn towards left. I may make the turn before the cyclist. No, you can't make the turn before the cyclist. I have to allow the motorcyclist to pass through. Yes. I have to allow the cyclist to pass through. Yes. You have to allow motorcyclists to pass through because of the right before left rule. And you have to allow cyclists to pass through because you are the one who is taking turn. Therefore, you have to wait and cyclist is driving straight ahead. Let's look at the answer. Our answers are correct. Why must you be particularly careful here? Because if you look here, the road seems to wet and there are also leaves. And what else? We see a Strasse sign over here, a street sign. It could happen that a vehicle could appear from this street. And there's also risk of skidding because of the wetness of the road and because of the leaves lying all around. Let's look at the options. Because there is increased danger of skidding when braking, yes. Because the vehicle could come from the right, yes. Because the car coming from the left has priority, no. Since you are the one who is on the right of car, so the car doesn't have the priority. Let's look at the answers. Our answer is correct. At which places where there are no traffic signs regulating priority does the rule right before left apply? At junction of farm tracks or forest tracks with other roads? No. Whenever you are coming from farm track or forest track, you have to be careful and you have to look both in right and left direction. At crossroads and junctions, this is correct. At junctions with sunken curbstone, again, if you are coming out of a sunken curbstone, you have to look in both directions, right and left. Let's look at the answers. Our answer is correct. What should you anticipate? Now what we see here that we want to turn toward right, but there is a bush which is hiding our view, so it's not clear. And then there is a bus over here. A vehicle driving past the bus? Yes, this could happen that a vehicle could come driving past the bus. That I will have to stop at the junction? Of course, you may have to stop at the junction if somebody appears suddenly from this side. Pedestrian crossing the road? This could also happen. Let's check the answers. Our answer is correct. All vehicles have been waiting at the junction for a few seconds. What should you do in this situation? In this situation, if we look in the junction, in all the directions, the cars are coming. And on our right, we are having green car. Green car's right is the blue car right is the red car, and red car's right is we. It means in this case, what we have to do, one of us has to give his right of way, only then the traffic can proceed. Let's look at the options. I am the first to drive to the center of junction where I stop. No, you can't do that because you are having green car on your right. I use clear hand signals to forego my right of way. Yes, this is correct. If you use clear hand signal to forego your right of way, it means red car can proceed. If red car can proceed, then blue car can proceed. If blue car can proceed, then green car. And if green car proceed, then we can proceed. I am the first to pass through junction. No, that's not the case because here the situation is very confusing. Here we have to give away our right of way. Only then the traffic can flow. Let's look at the answers. Our answer is correct. With this, we complete the 19 questions of right before left. Thanks for watching. If you have liked my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. If you're interested in any particular topic, please feel free to write in comment section. Take care. See you next time.